Good afternoon. I'm Peter Van Beek from Maxon Precision Motors. I'm the business unit manager for medical, and my colleague.
It's Carsten Horn, and I'm the application engineering manager for Maxon in the US.
Today we're showcasing Maxon's motor systems. That's DC brushed and brushless motors. And one thing you'll notice about Maxon's components is they're very modular in their form. So you can take a motor, you can add a gearbox to it if you like, a sensor on the back of the motor, and they range from 4 millimeters in diameter all the way up to approximately 60 millimeters in diameter. I'm kind of showcasing a typical maybe motor gear combination. And we also can have lead screws on a motor assembly coming out of a gearbox. And we also make all the drive electronics for driving the different various motors.
So what's very new is, of course, that we increase the power density. And what we showcase this year on the show is, of course, power motors that have a higher power density, also different form factors that are presented. And also, of course, our newest generation of position controllers that are capable of also having speed control with CAN interfaces that gives you a much more reliable and better networking. So you have position control, speed control, all in the same network that works very well. And it gives you much more opportunities and options to design your medical device out there. What we also present this year, what is pretty new, is we cooperate with some customers. So we just not only do what we name the components and the modifications, we also do co-development. What is our engineering? For example, we see here a robot that is a surgical robot that is working within of the body. And you can imagine it has a lot of drive technology. It has, like, for example, 6 motors in each of these arms, plus another 4 motors in the shoulder. These arms are working within of the body out there. Everything needs to be super compact and integrated. This device is in the meantime 410K rated. We worked with this customer for many, many years to make that all happen. And what's also pretty new to us is that we offer our customers not only that we do co-developments, we also do for them contract manufacturing, as long as it is around our environment and within our drive technology. That said, if you use, for example, some of our components, design your own drive actuators and stuff like that, we are willing to take a look on that and help you to industrialize them and produce them for your family and for your company out there. That's pretty new from Maxon. And I hope to see you again very soon together with Peter, our medical guy, who is really informed in that. He's doing a great job. Please reach out if you have any questions.
Thank you.